Good evening. I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Former Chief Minister Giridhar Gamang formally joins BJP, says he will perform whatever duty party assigns to him. Puri Temple Administration seeks report from Daitapati Nijog over delay in Brahma Parivartan, ritual of deities. Political bickering gains momentum. After rejection by Gram Subhas for Niyamgiri mining, Vedanta faces environmental blues. Tribals demand to close down Laljigarh refinery. Odisha government to introduce ceiling price for mineral transportation. New price from July 1st. And Odia chester Saina Salonika arrives after clinching 3 gold medals in Singapore Under-12 Chess Championship. Now the details. Former Odisha Chief Minister Giridhar Gamang and his son Sisir formally joined BJP today. The 9-time MP though had attended the party's recently concluded 2 days national executive meet of ST Morcha in the state capital. He was inducted into the party at a grand function attended by top party functionaries. BJP National General Secretary Ram Lal and Union Ministers Jewel Oram and Dharmendra Pradhan, among others, were also present on the occasion. Addressing media, Gamang said he would perform whatever duty the party assigns to him. On May 30th, the septuagenarian had resigned from the Congress party and joined the Saffron Party on June 12th after meeting party's national president Amit Shah in New Delhi. Former president of BJP's Odisha unit Suresh Pujari has been appointed as one of the secretaries of the Saffron Party. In a major reshuffle, BJP national president Amit Shah appointed 3 vice presidents, 3 general secretaries, including Madhya Pradesh Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, and 4 secretaries. Arun Singh, a relative of Union Minister Rajnath Singh, was elevated to the post of General Secretary from Secretary. Party's Assam in charge Mahindra Singh, East Delhi MP Mahesh Giri, and Jammu and Kashmir unit spokesperson Farooq Khan were also appointed as secretaries along with Pujari. Sri Jagannath Temple Administration has sought a report from Daitapati Nijog, the servitors group, over an inordinate delay in Brahma Parivartan ritual of Chaturdha Murti. Temple's Chief Administrator Suresh Mahapatra held a meeting with servitors and Vishwakarma Maharana to discuss the delay yesterday. Meanwhile, Lord Balabhadra's Chief Servitor Haldar Das Mahapatra told media persons that he would inform the temple administration in written about the reasons behind the lag of schedule in the rituals. On the other hand, political bickering has gained momentum following the delay in ritual. Senior Congress leader Narsingh Mishra has demanded for a statement from the Chief Minister over the issue. Alleging that the BJD has completely failed in smooth conduct of Nabakalibar, Mishra said lakhs of people have been hurt over violation of the age-old tradition of conducting Brahma Parivartan in the darkness of night. Congress MLA Tara Prasad Bahinipati even demanded the Chief Minister's resignation over the incident. BJP Legislature Party leader Basant Panda also came down heavily on the government for the delay. Defending the government, BJD spokesperson Sameer Das said the state had no control over the rituals in the shrine. He said the temple administration will inquire into the matter.
Daitapati Nijog ko what immediately report मागिबो report पाइला पर जहाँ डिसीजन निया जिवो विश्वकर्मा महाराणा माने जहाँ डिस्कशन करथिले सेमान को भितरे जहाँ से माने काम करथिले दायितापति मान को सहित श्री विग्रह निर्माण करिया पे सेडा सब गुप्त नीति एवं सेथिरे जहाँ विलम्ब पे विभिन्न कारण थाई पारे किंतु सेडा बाहर प्रकाश करबा उचित नहीं
चरम व्यवस्था देखा देइछि एवं सरकार तांकर कर्तव्य रे संपूर्ण भाव रे विफल होइछंती एपरि कि अभियोग आछि जे जहाँ नीति नियम अछि मंदिर भितरे किबा जहाँ परंपरा अछि ताको मध्ये भंग करा जाउछि
कार्यक्रम पई विलंब होईछि से संपर्क रे जहाँ कार्यानुष्ठान होबा कथा निश्चित भाव रे जदि कहार दोष निर्धारण हुए का विलंब पई किए निर्दिष्ट भाव रे किए यदि दोषी हुए ता ऊपर जे प्रशासक अछंती मुख्य प्रशासक ताको से निर्धारण करिवे एवं जहाँ कार्यानुष्ठान नवा कथा से निश्चित भाव रे नेबे बोली आमे घटना होछि राज्य सरकार सेतरे निश्चित भाव रे तार कार्यक्रम नेबे.
In a bid to curb willful unruliness of transport agencies in mineral transport, the state government has decided to introduce a ceiling price for transportation charges. The decision in this regard was taken at a meeting chaired by Chief Secretary yesterday. Mines Director Deepak Mahanti said the government will implement a fixed ceiling price on the transportation of minerals within the state from July 1st. Mahanti said the government took this decision after realizing that mineral transporters make charges as per their whims, which ultimately affected the price of ore due to high transportation price. Source said any violation of the ceiling will attract cancellation of the transport license of the airing agencies. Collectors of Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Jajpur, Angul and Jagatsinghpur districts have been asked to discuss the matter with concerned regional transport officer, superintendent of police and agencies involved in the transporting of minerals and submit a report to the Commerce and Transport Department by June 20th. After reviewing the reports, a technical committee will stipulate a ceiling price, thereby putting a cap on the fares charged by the transport agencies.
State level technical committee meeting hela pare 1st of July ru ei nuwa ceiling rate jaha hoba seita ko enforce kara jibo ebong ei jo freight charge se mane ceiling rate ko jodi अवमानना करिसंती से प्रकार जदि कंप्लेन आसिला ताले इमिडिएटली तंका रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल करा जिवो एवं सेमान को मिनरल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पई अलाउ करा जिवो नाही henceforth.
Commissionerate Police yesterday quizzed Trident Hotel General Manager Abhimanyu Lodha in connection with the arrest of Deccan Chronicle Group Vice Chairman P.K. Iyer from the hotel a few days ago. Source said during an hour-long questioning, Lodha told cops he was unaware that Iyer was in the wanted list of CBI. Lodha, however, assured the police to cooperate in the investigation process. Paring queries over his suspected involvement in the booking of hotel rooms in which Iyer was staying, Lodha told media persons that he had replied to all the queries of the police and will cooperate with the cops in the investigation. Police sources said preliminary investigations have revealed that the room in which Iyer and Mumbai-based air hostess Chitra Atwani were staying was booked in the name of Lodha on February 14th. The police investigation further showed that Iyer had first arrived at the hotel with Chitra at about 2 a.m. on February 14th. They had stayed together for 10 days before Chitra left the hotel. Iyer, however, booked a room in the same hotel in her name and continued to stay till he was arrested on June 6th.
तांकर जेहेतु तांको नारे मुख्य एलिगेशन आइथिला सेते पे तांकर स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्डिंग करा हिची आ दरकार पड़ले आहुरी भी स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्डिंग करिया पे तांको डका हो आ से जेति की माने कहिसंती स्टेटमेंट रे तांकर कहिसंती ता आधार रे हम फर्दर तदंत करिवो आ जदी सेथिरो जदी माने किछि आसिला हमको मटेरियल ताले सेथिरे आगु पड़िवो नले दरकार हले हम आउ भी डके परिवो.
देखिए जितने मुझसे सवाल पूछो हम सारे सवाल दे दिए जो भी है पुलिस को डिसाइड करना है मुझे थोड़ी डिसाइड करना है.
Almost 2 years after 12 Gram Sabhas rejected Vedanta's Niyamgiri mining plan, the aluminum major suffered another major setback when tribals of Kalahandi and Raigada districts demanded the state government to stop operations at the company's Lanchikar refinery over environmental concerns. Over 100 primitive Dongriya Kon tribals gathered yesterday near Sakata village under Muniguda block of Raigada district under the aegis of Niyamgiri Surakhya Samiti and demanded that the company's refinery should be closed down immediately as it is polluting the environment there. The Samiti also questioned that when the Supreme Court has given verdict against the company's mining plants in the region, why the state government is not taking steps to stop the plant which is creating environmental and health hazards. The villagers also alleged that the company has not kept its promises to employ local people and develop the area. In August 2013, 12 Gram Sabhas were held in 2 districts on the direction of the Apex Court to seek referendum on bauxite mining plan of the company in Niyamgiri Hills.
ये परिवेश प्रदूषण होची जेहेतु खनि मिलला नाही तेनु फैक्ट्रीटा एठी बंद हवा कथा आ फैक्ट्री तुरंत बंद हो एटा होची हमर प्रथम डिमांड.
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has asked to revamp Odisha State Civil Supplies Corporation during the review meeting of Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Department. Patnaik also directed concerned officials to ensure that eligible beneficiaries are duly brought into the fold of National Food Security Act, while the ineligible ones are weeded out. The CM also took stock of the implementation of paddy procurement automation system and asked the authorities to roll out the system in all the 314 blocks of the state by 2017-18 Kharif season. Official sources said 60 mandis are currently functioning in the state under the system, while the target is to bring 100 mandis into its fold in the current Kharif season. Agitated locals of Atgad area of Cuttack district ransacked 2 offices of Central Electricity Supply Utility and set them on fire after an employee of the utility was electrocuted. The irate mob also attacked the police personnel who tried to bring the situation under control. Sources said the accident occurred at Gudi Jharia intersection of Atgad when the employee was atop an electricity pole for maintenance works and fell down after coming in contact with the live wire. He was rushed to a nearby hospital and then to Cuttack in a critical condition where he breathed his last.
बर्तमान खोजा चली अन्य मानक धरा पड़े निश्चय पाख पड़ोसी थाना एरिया लोक से अरेस्ट कर कार्यानुष्ठान.
With an aim to boost interest in Odia language among college students, the state government has announced scholarships to students scoring more than 80% marks in Odia at +2 and +3 levels. The scholarship would be named after noted Odia literator Vyasakavi Fakir Mohan Senapati. The decision has been taken by Chief Minister Navin Patnaik during performance review meet of Higher Education Department. The CM has also directed to provide scholarships to all students who secure more than 80% in arts, commerce and science streams at +2 and +3 levels. The scholarship would be provided under the name of renowned Odia scientist Pranakrishna Parija. While announcing these, Patnaik asked to set up a scholarship council to monitor various scholarships provided by higher education and school and mass education departments. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister and BJP leader Arjun Munda called on Chief Minister Navin Patnaik yesterday. Munda told media persons the state government should give importance towards development of tribals in the state. Notably, during the tenure of Munda as Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Odia language was given a second language status in the state.
मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पटनायक जी के साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा संबंध है और व्यक्तिगत संबंधों के आधार पर मैं उनसे उड़ीसा आया हूं तो मिला, पर इसके साथ साथ ही हमने कुछ विषय पर बातचीत भी किया, जैसे जो रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस हैं उसके ऊपर में सरकार को फोकस करना चाहिए, ट्राइबल्स के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा तवज्जो देना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए। जो मेजर ट्राइबल ग्रुप है यहाँ उसकी कुछ समस्याएं हैं और उन सारे चीज़ों को सरकार देखे, ऐसे ही मैंने कुछ विषय पर चर्चा किया।
Odia chess star Saina Salonika arrived here yesterday after clinching 3 gold medals in the Asian Under-12 Chess Championship held in Singapore. Saina won 1 individual gold in girls blitz category and 2 team gold medals in standard and rapid categories. Upon her arrival at the B.J. Patnaik International Airport, Saina said the team faced tough fights from the opponents and it was very hard to back top honors.
स्टैंडर्ड भी मु भल खेलती किंतु एक्चुअली किछि मैचेस गुड़ा मोर भल पोजिशन थाउ तो टाइम रे अभाव है बोली मोर टे खराब पोजिशन आसला, नले मोर सब मैच ऑलमोस्ट विनिंग थिला। ब्लिट्स रे जो मानक ठार मु ड्रॉ कर छाड़ी तांको ब्लिट्स रे बहुत इजीली जीती जाइछि। एबे तो कॉमनवेल्थ अच्छी नेक्स्ट मैच आउ मेनली मो टारगेट एशियन वर्ल्ड।
Before wrapping up the headlines once again, former Chief Minister Giridhar Gamang formally joins BJP, says he will perform whatever duty party assigns to him. Puri Temple administration seeks report from Daitapati Nijog over delay in Brahma Parivartan, ritual of deities. Political bickering gains momentum. After rejection by Gram Subhas for Niyamgiri mining, Vedanta faces environmental blues. Tribals demand to close down Lanjigarh refinery. Odisha government to introduce ceiling price for mineral transportation, new price from July 1st. And Odia chess star Saina Salonika arrives after clinching 3 gold medals in Singapore Under-12 Chess Championship. Thank you for watching. Good night.